In the serene village of Eldenwood, cradled between lush rolling hills and babbling streams, there dwelled an enigmatic figure named Elric. Renowned for his sagacity, Elric's wisdom transcended the passage of time, an embodiment of the village's rich history. Eldenwood owed much of its prosperity to a legendary oak tree, an ancient sentinel that stood at the heart of the community. This venerable oak was more than a mere symbol. It held a mystical aura, believed by the villagers to be the source of the village's bounty. Legends whispered that the roots of the oak extended deep into the earth, forming an intricate network that drew upon the collective strength and spirit of the land. Eldenwood thrived as long as its people remained bound together in a tapestry of unity. Recognizing the profound importance of this belief, Elric felt compelled to impart a timeless lesson to the younger generation. Assembling the sons of Eldenwood beneath the shade of the ancient oak, he unveiled a challenge that would test not only their physical prowess but also their capacity for collaboration. A colossal boulder, weathered by time, stood sentinel on the outskirts of the village. The strength of this village, Elric intoned, his eyes glinting with ancient knowledge, lies not only in the roots of this venerable oak but in the unity of its people. The sons were given a task: move the imposing boulder to the village center by sundown. The catch was clear: they had to work in tandem, pooling their individual strengths to surmount this seemingly insurmountable obstacle. As the sons grappled with the challenge, they discovered the beauty of collaboration. Each possessed a unique skill, strength, quick-wittedness, or problem-solving acumen. Combining their efforts, the boulder, resistant at first, yielded to the power of collective determination. With the sun dipping below the horizon, the sons stood triumphant around the relocated boulder, fatigue tinged with accomplishment on their faces. Gathered around Elric, the sons received the essence of his wisdom. The village's strength, he emphasized, lay not just in the ancient oak but in the interconnectedness of its people. The roots of the oak tree, like the bonds among the villagers, intertwined to support towering strength. The lesson became clear: while individual strength was commendable, true invincibility lay in unity and mutual support. From that day forward, the sons carried the profound wisdom of Elric within their hearts. Embracing unity and cooperation, they recognized that their individual strengths, when harmonized, forged a force more formidable than any could muster alone. Eldenwood flourished, not solely due to the ancient oak, but because of the unbreakable bond among its people. Elric, with a knowing smile, continued to guide the villagers, reminding them that in togetherness, they found the strength to face any challenge that lay ahead. The tale of the wise old man and the sons became an enduring narrative, echoing through Eldenwood's history as a testament to the enduring importance of unity and cooperation in achieving collective prosperity. Join us on our channel for captivating stories, insightful discussions, and a journey through the realms of imagination. Subscribe now and be part of our vibrant community, where every video is a new adventure waiting to unfold.